tried 7 passive income ideas in 2025. Here's what made the most money. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, in this channel I dive deep into money, freedom, and real-life experiments that can change how you live and earn. And today, I'm sharing something I've never done before. I tested 7 different passive income streams in 2025. Not ideas I read online, not ones I plan to try. I actually did them, and I tracked how much money each one made over the past 90 days. And more importantly, how passive they really were. By the end of this video, I'll tell you what worked, what flopped, and which one earned me the most, even while I slept. So grab a pen, because one of these might just be your next income stream. Let's dive in. Number 1, dividend stocks. Initial investment, $5,000. Time spent, 1 hour, research plus buying. 90-day earnings, $116.42. Okay, let's start with the classic dividend stocks. I bought shares in some solid companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and a few ETFs that pay out quarterly dividends. The result? Over 90 days, I made $116.42, completely hands-off. Not life-changing, but remember, I didn't touch the money. I didn't do any extra work. It's as passive as it gets. Pros: reliable, truly passive. Cons: requires upfront capital, low short-term returns. Number 2, print on demand via Etsy plus Printify. Initial setup time, 20 hours, design, SEO, listings. Upfront cost, $50. 90-day earnings, $314.77. This one surprised me. I created a store on Etsy using Printify for print-on-demand t-shirts and mugs. I used Canva Pro to design some simple quotes and niche-based designs like Teacher Life or Crypto Dad. I made 23 sales in 90 days. Not massive, but every single order was automated. Printify handled printing and shipping. I just watched the money come in. Pros: creative, scalable. Cons: high upfront time investment, competitive market. Number 3, YouTube automation channel. Initial cost, $300, script writer plus voiceover plus editor. Time spent, 5 hours, management and upload. 90-day earnings, $879.35. Yes, I launched a faceless YouTube automation channel. I hired freelancers from Fiverr and Upwork to write scripts, narrate, and edit videos. I chose a niche, luxury lifestyle, and uploaded 2 videos a week. Once one of the videos hit 80K views, the monetization kicked in. And by month 3, the channel made almost $880. This one has serious potential. Pros: scalable, great long-term ROI. Cons: initial cost, need to understand YouTube SEO. Number 4, selling an ebook on Gumroad. Time to create, 10 hours. Cost to launch, $0. 90-day earnings, $271.20. I wrote a short ebook called 30 Days to a Budget You'll Stick To, aimed at beginners who feel overwhelmed by personal finance. I uploaded it to Gumroad, created a basic sales page, and promoted it on Reddit, Medium, and Twitter. It sold 34 copies in 3 months at $9.99 each. Not viral, but all passive after setup. Pros: 0 cost to launch, 100% profit margin. Cons: requires writing skill, needs promotion. Number 5, affiliate marketing via blog. Setup time, 15 hours, WordPress plus 10 blog posts. Startup cost, $80, domain plus hosting. 90-day earnings, $193.57. This one felt slow but promising. I built a niche blog targeting budget travel for couples, wrote 10 SEO-friendly posts, and sprinkled in affiliate links to travel gear and booking platforms. Only around 800 visitors in 90 days, but I still earned $193. With time and better SEO, this could easily become a $1,000 per month stream. Pros: long-term passive, low cost. Cons: slow ramp-up, SEO learning curve. Number 6, high-yield savings plus cashback cards. Initial investment, $10,000. 90-day earnings, Interest plus cashback, $204.63. This one is boring, but easy money. I moved $10,000 into a 4.5% APY savings account with SoFi and used my cashback credit card for all purchases. Between interest and cashback, I made over $200 without lifting a finger. Pros: risk-free, instant setup. Cons: requires capital, low ROI. Number 7. Digital course on Skillshare. Time to create, 25 hours. Cost: $0, recorded with my phone and free software. 90-day earnings, $1,284.40. This was the highest earning stream, hands down. I recorded a course called Freelancing 101, how to make your first $1,000 online, and uploaded it to Skillshare. People started watching. Reviews came in. Skillshare pays based on watch time, and I earned over $1,280 in just 3 months. Highly recommended if you have any skill to teach. Pros: high earning potential, scalable. Cons: big upfront time investment, video editing required. Final ranking by money earned. Digital course, Skillshare, $1,284.40. YouTube automation channel, $879.35. Print on demand, Etsy, $314.77. Ebook sales, Gumroad, $271.20. High yield savings plus cashback, $204.63. Affiliate blog, $193.57. Dividend stocks, $116.42. So what did I learn? The more value you provide, whether through content or education, the higher your earning potential. But the more truly passive streams, they tend to pay less upfront, but grow quietly over time. There's no perfect passive income, but there's one that fits your lifestyle, skills, and risk tolerance. Start small, stay consistent, and test for yourself. Which of these 7 passive income streams would you try first? Drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for weekly experiments like this, and share it with someone who's tired of the 9 to 5 hamster wheel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning, keep earning, and keep building the life you deserve.